Hi everyone, Brett Gurney here with BrettGurney.com. It's good to see all of you today. We are going to talk about Facebook engagement. What is it and how does it affect the Facebook marketer? Most Facebook marketers that I have spoken with would define Facebook engagement as likes, comments, and shares. Well, yeah, but what a lot of people don't realize is just what this engagement leads to, how it can benefit your business and your marketing efforts by ensuring that your posts get positioned high on news feeds and seen by more people. Okay, and Facebook has a system, an algorithm that they use, and who knows, how it kind of works behind the scenes, but they look at everything that you do and the engagement that you get, and that's how they determine how far, how widespread your message goes and how many of your friends or contacts on Facebook that get that message. Because believe me, it's a fairly small percentage of your contacts that are seeing your posts on their news feeds, and especially if you're not getting a lot of engagement. Okay, so if you're wondering why it may seem like a lot of people are not seeing your post, well, they may not be. Okay, so the whole idea is to kind of maybe tweak the way you're presenting yourself, or what you're putting on Facebook, what you're posting, as opposed to slamming links out there, or hey, here, and I mentioned this a lot. Here's my link, buy my stuff. Okay, no. That's not going to get you anywhere. First of all, people are going to kind of look at you like you're a little bit desperate maybe. You don't know what you're doing, and the fact is, are those people going to want to work with you? I mean, you probably got some friends that will, but when it comes to people that you don't know so well, you need to kind of present yourself maybe in a little bit of a different way, as opposed to link bombing or link dumping, like some of us called it. It's just not the best way. What you want to do is you want to put out material and posts that engage people, conversational. Okay, just like a two-way conversation, and you can ask questions, you can ask people for their opinions, you can put out news type of posts that engage people and get them talking. There's a lot of things that you can do. The more engagement you get, the further your posts are going to reach, creating more engagement, creating a further reach. So it's reciprocal. Okay, let me just go on here. Facebook engagement increases your post's positioning and length of time in newsfeed, and that's something I didn't mention yet. Yes, it does. The more engagement that you're getting on your posts, the longer, not only the further of a reach is it going to get, but the longer they're going to let it hang out on newsfeed. Okay, and you might notice some people's posts when you go to your newsfeed are there a lot. Okay, they're there for a lot for a reason. If it seems like they're there more than others, they probably are, because those people are posting in a way that's creating a lot of engagement. It used to be everybody was concerned with how many friends do I have, how many contacts do I have. Well, that's good to have a lot of contacts, but if your contacts are not engaging with you, then it's really not, it's not doing a whole lot of good. The other thing that you don't want to do is hit and run, or post and run. Okay, and I see a lot of people do this. I see people post, and they might even put out a pretty decent, engaging type of a post, and then I see people commenting on those posts, and that person's nowhere around. They're not talking back. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Okay, you put up a good post that engages people, and then you don't engage back. Okay, the whole idea is to get things to go viral. The more, and that's what this term, talking about this. You've probably seen it on Facebook, especially on business pages. How many people are talking about this? Well, that's simply a viral type of effect. When something's going around, when people are sharing it, when they're liking it, when they're commenting on it, that's where they get that term of talking about this. And the more that are talking about it, obviously the more engagement you're getting. And once again, it's all about a wider reach. Okay, reaching more of your contacts and getting your post to stick longer in the newsfeed. That's what the tool is there for. Okay, the tool is not there for you to say, here's my link, join my stuff. The tool is there for, and when I say the tool, I mean Facebook is there for you to make friends with other people, to engage with others, to create relationships. And it's those relationships that lead to business partners. Okay, when you link bomb, that makes people run away from you. They just don't want any part of it. Not any of the quality type of people that you would love to have go into business with you. And if you do these things, if you post engaging material and you create conversations, you create things that people want to share, that they want to like on, they want to comment on. You can create viral things happening, at least to friends of friends. In other words, when your friends start sharing your material, which is the ultimate, when you get something out there that your friends will share, their friends are going to pick up on it, and they will share it. Okay, and if it's your post, it keeps your name on it. Okay, if you put one of your pictures on there, if you post a photo, an image, or whatever, with a little story, a little comment or something, and it's something that people like, it's educational, it's newsworthy, it's worth talking about, it's something fun, it's exciting, maybe it's something cool, that people like, or it's motivational, or it's inspirational, anything like that people will share. They're sharing your post, and then when their friends share your post and their friends share your post, you're going to start having people ask, they're going to notice you, and when they notice you, they're going to ask you to be their friend. Okay, so if you're doing some of the things that I talked about that you shouldn't be doing, and start doing some of the things that I talked about that you should be doing, you will notice an uptick in the amount of friends requests that you're getting coming in. Okay, people will start asking you to connect with them. Okay, so that's kind of the lowdown on Facebook engagement and what it means to your business. Your business is all about exposure. It's all about you putting yourself out there as somebody who wants to create relationships with people, who wants to get to know people, who wants to engage in normal conversation. And trust me, if you do it that way, it's much easier to bring your business into a conversation if you have someone's ear. Okay, that's kind of it for today, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video today, and we'll see you again. We'll see you again soon on the next video. So long, everyone.